Good morning, children. How you all? Are you fine, ma? Okay. In the previous session, we learned about how to write the number name if they given the number and how we can split up the number. That means break up the number and how we can say the number having how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. Like that, we learned the expanded notation and how to write the number given means how to write the number name. If they given the number name, how we can write the number. The three models we completed in the previous session. Now we are going to learn about the counting of twos, counting in twos, like skip counting. Yesterday I explained, the previous session I explained to you how to write the skip countings of twos, fives, tens with 2 and 3 digit numbers. I explained you in the before previous session. If you have any doubt regarding to that skip countings, once check through that video. Okay, now up to C Roman we completed. Now the D Roman. Counting in twos. Counting in twos. Counting in twos. Write the next 5 numbers. Write the next 5 numbers. Write the next 5 numbers. That means basing on that given number, you have to write the given number. You have to write the missing numbers using the number given. Okay, ma? So how you will write? See the first one in that. 3292. 3292. Secondly, 4058. Third one, 5168. Okay, they are asking us to write the next 5 numbers. Next 5 numbers. Okay, by counting in twos. By counting in twos, write the next 5 numbers. By counting in twos, write the next 5 numbers. See the first number given now, 3292. How much you have to add? Counting in twos. That means you have to add 2 to the given number, then you will get it. So 2 means where you have to add at one's place. So the change may takes place at 2. The place value of 2, which is at one's place. Next 3292. 3294, 3296, 3298. What you will get after 98? You will get 100. You will get 100. Is it possible to write the 100 at a time? No. So you have to add 2 to the given number. So how you will add 3298 plus 2? 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 1, 10 again. 2 plus 1, 3, 3. So 3300. Next, again you have to add 2 to this number. So add 3300, 3302. Like that you can write. Okay. See the next one. What you will get? Here they given 58. So you have to add 2 to this given number. Na? So what you will get 58 after? You will get, after adding 2 to that 58, you will get 60. So 4060, 4062, 4064, 4066, 4068. Like that you will write. Yes, ma'am? So next one, 5168. So 8 after, if you add 2 means you will get 10. So take 2 numbers now. 58. So 68. 5168. 68 if you add 2 means you will get 70. 5170. 5172. 5174. 5176. 5178. Like that you will write. Okay, in the previous classes you learned 2 digits and 3 digits like that. But now onwards you are going to learn in 4 digits. Yes, ma'am? How you will add? By adding 2 to the number. By adding 2 to the given number. What is the question? Counting in twos. That means you have to add 2 to the given number. You will get next number. Na? Again you have to add 2 to this 94. You will get 96. Next 98. 98 after what you will get? 100 you will get. It's not easy to write. It's not possible to write 100 here. If you write here, it becomes 5 digit number. Na? So you have to add 2 like this and you will get 3300 and then add 3302. Okay. See the next model in that. Counting in tens, write the next 5 numbers. E Roman. Counting in tens, write the next 5 numbers. Write the next 5 numbers. How you will write the next 5 numbers? See this first one. Counting in tens, you have to add 10 to the given numbers. Counting in tens means you have to add 10 to the given number. So the change may takes place at the tens place digit, or else the tens place digit and ones place digit. The change may takes place. Yes, na? So after adding number to 20, what you will get? You will get 30. But here they given 4 digit number. Na? You have to add those two numbers also. 4320, 4330, 4340, 4350, 4360, and next number 4380. So the change may takes place while adding in tens. The change may takes place at tens place and ones place distance. Here now if you observe 10. 10 after what you will get 20. So but here 4 digit number na 3810, 3820, 3830, 3840, 3850, 3860. Now see this number 7230. So 30 after what you will get? You will get 40. So write 7240, 7250, 7260, 7270, 7280. Like that you will write. Okay, children. Next 5 numbers they asked you to write. Yes, na? So like that you can write. How you will add? By counting tens means how you will add? You have to add the number which is at tens place and ones place. So it is 20. 20 after what you will get, children? 30 you will get. Yes, na? So 4320. Next 4330, 4340, 4350, 4360, 4370. Okay, here I wrote 18 and 70. Okay, here 10 after 3810. 3820, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. Here also 7230, 7240, 7250, 7260, 7270, 7280. Like that you will write. Yes. See the next model in that. F Roman. F Roman. Counting in hundreds. Counting in hundreds. Counting in hundreds, write the next 5 numbers. Counting in hundreds, write the next 5 numbers. First one 7435. Second number 7390, 5390. Third one 3012. 3012. Okay. Now we have to add 100 to the given numbers and we have to write next 5 numbers in this series. See, once check it. So hundreds means the place may, the value may varies at the place of 100. Yes, now. So 435, 7004. Next 400 after what you will get 500. So 7535, 7635, 7735, 7835, 7935. We need not to change the remaining numbers, just we have to change the digit where what we underlined here. Okay, here also 100th place digit. What is 100th place digit here? 3. So 300, add hundreds to this hundreds place. So 5490, 5590, 5690, 5790, 5819. Yes, na? See the next one. If you observe here, you may get some confusion, children. Here 0 was given. Yes, na? 0 after what you will get? 100. So 3112, 3212, 3312. We need not to change the remaining digits. 3412, 3512. Like that you have to write. Without changing all the numbers in that series, just you have to add the hundreds place digit. Then you will write easily all the digits. Okay, children. Next one. Counting in thousands. Write the next ones. Once check through it. Children, if you are having the textbook, fill the textbook while we are saying. Then you will get the idea. Okay, children? 3826. 3826. First one. Second one. 2032. Third one. 4444. What the question they ask you, ma'am? They ask us to write, to count in thousands. Count in thousands. So the place may changes at thousands place. The value may changes at 1000 place. 3000 after what you will get, children? 3000 after what you will get, ma'am? 4000. 4826. 5826. 6826. 7826. 8826. We changed the place value or the value values only at the 1000 place. Same like 10, same like hundreds here also. Yes. So now here what is the place at thousands? 2000 after 3032, 4032, 5032, 6032, 7032. Next, see this one, 4444. 4444. So what is the place value? What is the place value of 1000 here? 1000's place value is 4 now. 4 after what you will get 5000. So 5444, 6444, 7444, 8444, 9444. We need not to change the remaining digits which are at ones, tens and hundreds. We just changed the place value of the digit which is at thousands place. Like that we can write to this model. We can write in this model. What is this? Counting in thousands. What is this model? Counting in thousands. Like that we can present. Okay, children. The next session we will start exercise 1.5. Okay children? Okay ma. Take care of your health. Take care of your health children. Have a good day. Thank you.